Now, that's a young girl. When name na Bibiche Kounde. He don't happy, saute, happy. Wait till the happy. When I know that song where they sing up. J'ai la joie dans mon cœur. J'ai la joie dans mon cœur. Et la joie qui me fait couler la main de tendresse. La joie a dans mon cœur. Oh, j'ai la joie. J'ai la joie dans mon cœur. J'ai la joie. J'ai la joie dans mon cœur. Et la joie qui me fait couler la main de tendresse. La joie est dans mon cœur. Naso, dinga, il est happy. Et skin is sweetie. Bibiche Kounde, he talks with it. He never stay away divorce with his massa. Now 2 months now. And then he one with pikin. He get pikin. He get pikin don't go right. That's why they call him for BB grammar say first school living certificate. For France, they talk say SEP. He don't go right that thing, that certificate, and then he pass. They became pass the first school living certificate. The mommy, he be very, very happy. He get all happiness way he did for his heart. And una know say plenty people then too, they glad say they are became he pass first school living certificate. Result don't come out. But mommy and papa them where they are picking and not pass, made a notice at the end of the world. Made it encourage them. Some BB American president, they recall say Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln, if he write some letter, send am a teacher for a pikin. Tell teacher for a pikin say, he wants to make teach a pikin. For no say, failure, no be the end of life. Failure be part of life. And failure, if you make man, is succeed. And that letter way Abraham Lincoln be write am a teacher for a pikin. It be na some letter way, so take courage tomorrow. All man, it use them for motivation. So, we'll get for understand failure not be the end of the life. Success na a very good thing. But even with success, we must be very careful. So we must be prudent for continue for work. But if you fail for your life, not take a lesson at the end of the world. Now so the thing day. Now to where any papa and mommy them, they school will send out for their small picking them way. They just write first school living certificate. One day way they pass, one day way they not pass. GC ordinary and A levels go come out small time. BPC go come out. Baccalaureate go come out. Probatoire go come out. So if I say may we teach our picking them, say failure no be end for life. But it no mean say may you no make effort for succeed. You must make effort for succeed. But if you fail, you stand up, you work again. Like Tiwawe, they talk say if you fall 1 time, wake up 4 times.